Height is kind of in its own little island, okay? It is a quadrilateral with two pairs of congruent sides, but opposite sides are not congruent. You have two pairs of congruent sides, but opposite sides are not congruent. If you wanted to, you could even add the word consecutive. So in a kite, those two sides would be congruent, and those two sides would be congruent. Do you notice anything about the diagonals? What do you think might be true about the diagonals? I heard it. They are perpendicular. Diagonals are perpendicular. If you also look, this diagonal is bisected. The other one is not. The other one is not bisected. If you look at the diagram like this, then what is this shape?
Triangle.
Be more specific.
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle. So then that makes this piece a perpendicular bisector, which means it's what's also going to be true about these two angles. These are going to be congruent. How about these two angles? These are going to be congruent. Do the same thing for the other side. These two angles would be congruent. Let's see. 3. And then those would be congruent as well. Questions? Okay. Okay, your homework for tomorrow. Because we are nearing the end of the trimester, I want to make sure that we are giving ourselves ample time in class. We are doing page 394, 7 through 23 odd. Why am I assigning odd?
So we can check it
You
out.
can check it. So come to class with it checked. It's not going to do you any good to come to class and you don't know if you did them right or wrong or not. That way we can jump right into those and start working on a review. Your final exam, we are still working on the review. That's what we're doing this weekend. The test will probably be in here next Tuesday. As of right now, it is not retakeable. It is too close to the end of the trimester. I'm available next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday after school. And then I'm also probably going to shorten up your test for this unit over quadrilaterals. There's really only one more section that I want to teach. We've already been talking about it, and that's with being in a coordinate plane so that we can determine, is this figure a parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, etc. Okay?
Yep.
Go ahead and step.